Hey guys, how's it going? How to fix missing textures in Roblox Studio. So check for asset IDs. Ensure that the textures asset ID is correct. If you've imported custom textures, make sure they exist in your Roblox account. Ensure that texture assets are public or that you have permission to use them. If they are private, you will need access to them. And if the textures are custom, try re-uploading them to Roblox. Go to the View tab, open the Explorer in Properties, and then reapply the textures. Sometimes simply closing and reopening Roblox Studio can resolve loading issues. Make sure you're using the latest version of Roblox Studios. Updates can fix bugs related to rendering assets. Go to File and then Settings to ensure your graphics settings are set adequately for viewing textures. If these steps do not resolve the issue, consider checking Roblox forums or community support for further assistance. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.